I love my curls, but they do need a lot of extra care to make sure they're healthy and actually curly. More than using the right kind of products, it needs more time and a few tools to make sure they are frizz-free and moisturized. So today I'm going to share some ways in which I style and maintain my curly hair. Curly hair is drier than normal hair and is prone to more damage, so make sure you're using a shampoo and conditioner with milder ingredients and which is preferably sulfate free. So today I'm using the Wow shampoo and conditioner, and this shampoo and conditioner works well for colored hair as well. Now that I've shampooed and conditioned my hair, I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner for that extra moisture. Make sure you wash your hair twice a week, and if you still feel that your hair is dry, you could just wash your hair with just conditioner and you're good to go. Today I'm using the Curly Eely leave-in conditioner on dripping wet hair. Try to spread it as evenly as possible. So once you're done with the application of the product on your wet hair, you want to use a brush like this. This one is called the Denman brush, and it is specially made for curly hair. Comb it through, and then you can see the curl pattern forming already. So once you're done applying your leave-in conditioner and combing it through, you want to move to the next step, which is to apply a hair gel. So today I'm using this one by Arata. So this gel contains organic flaxseed extract, which is very important for curly hair because you need that nutrition, and also the flaxseed has this tendency to like sort of enhance your curls. So yeah, so I'm going to use this gel today. So you want to take a small amount of it because it is quite effective. So I'm going to just take some on my palm. You remember the spray motion. And then you'll feel your hair to go a little stiff. So now that you've applied the gel, you want to again go in with the Denman brush and brush it all out. Okay, so the next step is quite important, which is to scrunch. So instead of using a towel, I prefer to use a t-shirt because it's of microfiber and that's really good for your hair. So you take it like this and you go like this and then you scrunch it. You take out the extra water from your hair. And you want to continue it till you feel that you have achieved that level that you don't have to, like, all the water is drained out. So now we have achieved this level. Now we're going to go to drying it all out and achieve the final result. So for that you will need a normal hair dryer. We all have one at our homes. And so, but for curly hair you can't just dry it out just like that because it's gonna make it flat. So you want the air to be distributed equally. So hence for curly hair you have what is called a diffuser. Place your hair on the diffuser and then you go upwards so that you cover a certain area and it sort of distributes the air in this particular area, okay? So you want to dry out your hair in sections and you have to keep the dryer on for at least 20 seconds or 30 seconds depending on how thick your hair is and how long your hair is. And when you feel that you've got that look, that bounce that you wanted, you're good to go. Now you'll scrunch, scrunch, scrunch is what you'll do, and then you'll see that you're getting bounce and you're getting that look. And separate out clumps if there are clumps being formed. So to revamp and bring those curls back to life, I use this detangling spray. This one is also by Curly Eely. If your hair is not as bouncy as it was earlier, so you just spray a little bit of the spray on your hair and then just scrunch it. So this is on your second day or third day hair when you sort of lose that curl. So you just spray a little here, And also one good trick is that to spray it on your hand, rub it all in, and then you just scrunch. So it normally takes me an hour to complete this routine from shampooing, conditioning, product application and diffusing, and then I achieve this hair. And so you have to sort of work a little hard for this, but in the end when you see your hair so bouncy and flouncy, it's always a good feeling. So yeah, that's about it. Make sure you use coconut or almond oil before you shampoo, and if your hair feels really dry or damaged, you could do a deep conditioning treatment once a week, and also don't forget to go for a trim when your hair flattens at the crown. Let me know if this video was helpful in the comment section below, and while you do that, do not forget to check out the POPxo shop. We've got some really cool merchandise like notebooks, planners, mugs, cushion covers and a lot more. So just click on the link in the description box and go shop now. And for more hair care, skincare tips and makeup tutorials, keep watching POPxo Daily.